Shiva, non-traditional games in Hindu religion and his wife, Parvati. Anisha is the founder and artistic director of Rhythms, has been learning, performing, and teaching art for the last 28 years. She learned artistically single lessons from India and has performed at over 150 shows in India, US, and UK. Lakshmi Good evening, everyone. I'm to be your co-host for this evening. The Religious Dance School works not only
I would like to speak very loudly.
Yeah, that's good.
This way, if I mess up, you can't hear it anyway, so it's fine. We're on the right page. The Rhythms Dance. The Rhythms Dance School works not only to educate the children of our community about our heritage, but also to use the art form to contribute to our community. The proceeds of tonight's recital will benefit the Princeton YWCA and its Breast Cancer Resource Center. The Princeton YWCA provides our community with opportunities that are educational, inspirational, and recreational. Its focus is to advocate the elimination of racism and the empowerment of women. It is a voice for women, politically, socially, and individually, and a means for women in all stages and walks of life to bring strength to each other. One area in which women bring strength to each other is in the fight against breast cancer. It's a rare person who doesn't know someone who's affected by this disease. I'm sure there are people in our audience today who have a family member, a friend, or a co-worker who was affected by breast cancer and hopefully survived. In the past 20 years, there have been great improvements in the research and development of pharmaceuticals and treatments. Today, 1 in 8 women in the United States will develop invasive breast cancer over the course of her lifetime. And although the breast cancer incidence rates in the US have been declining over the past 15 years, for women in this country, breast cancer deaths are still higher than for those of any other cancer. So there is still work to be done. In our community, that work is done in part by the YWCA Breast Cancer Resource Center. For more than 40 years, the BCRC has been providing free programs to help women through the breast cancer journey, from diagnosis through treatment, recovery, survivorship, and even recurrence. This charitable, not-for-profit organization is a major source of support for women in our community. We are now going to play a video shared with us by the BCRC.